of your dreams.
This is 96 Impala and Pt.2 of the seat skins. Now I'm finna get to the bottom of the seat. I'm gonna do the bottom of my phone that up real good. See how it look. You can tell it got a lot of wear and tear on there. We're gonna fix all of that. We'll be right back with y'all guys. Alright, on the back, I cut out a little template of the carpet. We're gonna lay the foam on top of that right there. I still gotta fasten up these back pieces. I think they wanna do next. Before I do the foam, I'm fasten up this right here. Then I might I'm gonna put the holes in last. I'm gonna do I'm gonna get my steamer and I'm gonna steam all that. Put the headrest in there. That'll be the last thing I'm gonna do, probably. But let me fasten this up, and I'm gonna come back with the phone. I'll be right back. It's your boy, Mr. 96 Impala, and I'm back again. So you can see I got the other seat bust down on the bottom. Got the bottom part bust down. I got this right here off. That's all. And the issue I'm having with this one, I'm gonna do everything right like I said I'm gonna do, because I might sell the car. So, this thing different broke. So, I'm trying to get this welded in the morning, and then I put the bottom back on. I don't have no issue. Just whatever going on with this, so this reason why I ain't finished it yet. Yeah, so we get that welded. Get everything nice, looking good. But I should have this seat right here finished tonight. Y'all bear with me. So almost 9 shows probably doing everything. We turn up 2022. When I take the cover out of this, I'm gonna get right back with y'all guys. All right, I'm back. As you can see, I got both seats. Well, I got one seat bust down, of course. I got the other seat, so both of them bust down. Hopefully I don't have to take the spring out, but I had to take the other one out. Some clamps back here. So y'all see the clamps underneath there. There's some clamps underneath there. Here they go. Y'all see it. Right here. So I might have to do the same with this seat. But I'll see once I might have my phone with that, with the same phone, the same exact way. I'm gonna phone these up nice and flush. I'm gonna get back to y'all guys once again. Step by step, I'm gonna get the thing did right, y'all. Step by step. So I add my phone to give it a more plush look. They're sticking out once I put the seat cover back on. Everything ain't gonna fall back in like it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna get these colors back on. And y'all let me know. Still gonna paint these and just gonna color my seats are up real tight. You know what I'm saying? These down. I'm gonna paint them because I sell the car. I want everything to be neat on this car. I do not want to have step when I do a car. Can't wait till we start doing a motor build. I'm gonna show y'all that everything gonna be brand new. So when I sell a car, I want to make sure it run. I want to make sure the interior is nice and neat. I want to make sure everything work. No fire hazard, none of that. So let me get through with this, and I'm gonna get right back with y'all guys. All right, you see I got both seat covers on, with the top seat covers. I gotta fold this right here back, and it's hard, I ain't gonna lie. It took me 2 hours trying to get that, and so I had to call the veteran and my dad to put them clamps back on. That's all I was showing y'all earlier, them black clamps. But y'all tell me what y'all think. Get a little close. Y'all tell me what y'all think. And tell me that they do a good job on the seats also. Do y'all like them diamond stitched? Y'all let me know. I gotta run a couple errands and I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna do the bottom plate. We're gonna get this welded, like I said, in the morning. So finish this seat. I gotta order some more hog rings too, so we can start on the back seats. I'm gonna show y'all I'm using these. They don't be enough for the back seat. I don't think it might be. We're gonna try to give it a try. There's probably 100 of them. What we're using, we also use this. And the tools we use. But at install the bottom, I'm gonna get back with y'all, cause I ain't gotta weld this, so I'm gonna install this one tonight. I'll probably install this one another day. We're gonna get to it though. So I'm gonna try to have both of them did before the month out. We're gonna do the back seats. So y'all tell me what y'all think. All right, I'm gonna see, can I set that foam in here? If I gotta cut it a little more, just to get it set in there, we're gonna do that. But I'm gonna see how I get that foam put it on so we can have that nice plush look. And I believe y'all wonder why I got this copper right here. The copper to keep from eating into my foam right here. Cause I press it down, or if I sit on my seat, then later on it start winding down. You see the start cutting and start my foam. So that's why I put the copper in here for support. And put the foam over there. So that's how I got these right here. So plush, but it was sinking in. You gotta look at my old video, the seats. The part one of the video, just his seats, they were like plushed in, like they wear and tear. But I'm finna try this right here and then see if it worked. I'm gonna get back with y'all. If it worked, you'll see I'm on there. If it didn't, they may not take it off. But we're finna see though. Be right back. All right. Show you what I got. Boom. Let y'all see everything. We have step. I gotta clamp these on the side. It should be like some plush so they get through them. Yo, we have step. I'll get in the comment section, tell me what I think. See how plush it is. Y'all get in the comment section, tell me y'all think. I'm doing a good job or not. Y'all let me know. Got to clamp them down. I'm gonna throw the headrest in that baby. Y'all tell me how the final look gonna be. Y'all give me y'all honest opinion, tell me what the thing look like. Here go the finished process. I set the headrest. But I give myself an 8. First time doing it. Little imperfection right there. I'm see how I fix that. You know, I like to be everything unique. Inside and right there. Ain't too bad. Anybody see this side because it go over the center console. But I'm much trying to get this side right here. Perfection to the fullest. I'm gonna play with it. I had to take it back loose. But I'm gonna play with it and see what I gotta do. I think they're clamping our way in there. But y'all tell me what y'all think. Alright, I'm finished with the seat right here. And add the headrest, as you can see. still gotta get this part right here welded, so that will hold me up right here. So you see I got it covered up so I can take it to the guy that do the welding. And the guy literally probably like 50 seconds away from me, like really the street, probably like about 4 houses down from me. So I'm gonna get him to do the welding. I might clean out this third hill too, but look good so far though. Y'all get in the comment section and tell me what y'all think, and tell them how y'all think the people did on the C-skins also. Then we'll go get it from there. Ain't go. I still gotta put this one in here, but I ain't gonna use this one. I got some more. I got some gray ones. I gotta see what I did with them. The guy that did my seats last time, he did this. I don't know why he painted that color red. It ain't right. It way off than what it's supposed to be. So this one I'm doing it myself. That's another reason why I do stuff my own self. Nobody gonna do it like you do it. So then like he got some. It's like he got a brush or something and brushed the red on there instead of straight paint. Might be wrong though, but it look like to me. Yeah, well, y'all get in the comment section and tell me what y'all think. It's your boy Mr. 96 Impala, and I'm out, and I'll be back with a part 3 video with y'all very soon.